Oh my God. So how this actually all came about is that I recently took over the ownership of my late father's house. And I'll be honest with you, I haven't paid a lot of house bills in about a decade. I've just been either traveling abroad or not decided where I really wanted to end up. And that being said, the water bill is paperless and I forgot about it. And they turned the water off the other day and I was like, oh, I must pay my water bill. So I called them up and they came right back out. And unbeknownst to us, the next door neighbor's water, whatever little portal that is down there, had this giant hive of bees as he was going back to turn my water on. Isn't that insane? That is so crazy. Look at that. He's pulling pieces of the hive away. Or the honeycombs, I should say. Oh, interesting. There's a little hive. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, interesting. He set the hive down. Interesting. So he set the hive down on top of where it used to be. I can see the rest of the bees to go inside. That is so fascinating.